The ground trembles. Birds scatter into a red sky. Something is coming. It burns brighter than the sun, faster than sound, and in a single moment, the world changes forever. 66 million years ago, Earth belonged to giants. Dinosaurs ruled the land. They dominated the skies. They controlled the seas. For over 160 million years, they were unstoppable. Then, a mountain fell from space. It struck near what we now call the Chicxulub Crater. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. The ocean vaporized. Shock waves circled the planet. Forests ignited instantly. The sky turned black. Ash rose high into the atmosphere. Sunlight disappeared. Temperatures dropped. Plants began to die. And when plants died, everything else followed. Herbivores starved. Predators weakened. Ecosystems collapsed. Over 70% of life on Earth vanished. The giants that ruled for millions of years erased in what was, geologically, a heartbeat. But extinction is never absolute. Beneath fallen trees, something small survived. In burrows underground, life waited. Tiny mammals, no larger than a rat. They lived in the shadows. They moved at night. They adapted. While giants fell, the small endured. The world was silent. No more thunder of massive footsteps, no more earth-shaking roars, just wind and ash. But in that silence, evolution began again. Forests slowly returned. Rivers flowed once more. Life crept back into the light. The age of dinosaurs was over, but the age of opportunity had begun. The creatures that survived were not the strongest. They were the most adaptable. And in a world without giants, the small were free to grow, free to change, free to rise. One branch of these survivors would eventually stand upright. One would discover fire. One would look at the stars and ask questions. The end of the dinosaurs was not just an ending, it was a reset. And resets change everything. But how do tiny mammals take control of an empty world? How do the smallest become the rulers of Earth? That is our next chapter.